Ìwé mímọ́ Ifá Ẹ̀sìn Olódùmarè. Ẹ̀sìn Olódùmarè. Ẹ̀sìn Olódùmarè. This book is very good. Let's check it. This is the book. Ìwé mímọ́ Ifá Ẹ̀sìn Olódùmarè. Mo fẹ́ ka chapter 34 of this Ìwé mímọ́ Odu Ifa Olodumare yìí, orí kẹrìnlélọ́gọ́rin. If you get a copy of this book, it's on page 362. So mi ò ní ka ìtàn chapter yẹn, is Irosun Geda. That is orí kẹrìnlélọ́gọ́rin. Mo kàn máa ka ọgbọ́n tí Ifá yìí kọ́ wa. So when you get a copy of this book, you can read as much as you want. So Odu Ifa yìí kọ́ wa pé kí a máa wu ìwà rere, torí pé bí orí ènìyàn bá dára, bí irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ kò bá ní ìwà rere, ó lè kó bá orí rẹ̀. Orí ti yan ilé rẹ̀ pé láti òde ọ̀run, ṣùgbọ́n ìwà rere ni wọn yóò wò láti ṣe ìdájọ́ ènìyàn ní ilé ayé. Òun náà ni Olódùmarè pàápàá yóò fi ṣe ìdájọ́ gbogbo ènìyàn ní àsìkò tí irọ́ kò ní ṣe é pa, tí kúlùkù yóò jíyìn iṣẹ́ tí ó bá gbé ilé ayé ṣe. As you can see, ìwé wa ò sọ aburú o. Just as how our Ifa priest used to say that rere ni Ifá ń fọ̀. So for those of you, especially my fellow Yorubas, who have been talking bad about our Ìṣẹ̀ṣe, if you get a copy of this book, you are going to understand that Ìṣẹ̀ṣe is for humanity. So get a copy of the book, Ìwé mímọ́ Ifá Ẹ̀sìn Olódùmarè. So check the description section of this video to get the direction on how to pay, the amounts, and my phone number. Thank you, and get a better life. Come and buy your book. Come and buy Ẹ̀sìn Ìwé mímọ́ Ifá. This is our own book, holy book. Yeah, you guys come and buy. Ìwé mímọ́ Ifá Ẹ̀sìn Olódùmarè. This book is so good for you guys. Ìwé mímọ́ Ifá is purely in Yoruba language. This one is going to Dublin now. I'm sending this one to Dublin. Ìwé mímọ́ Ifá Ẹ̀sìn Olódùmarè. This is our holy book. Our holy book. Come and buy book. Hey. So check the description section of this video to check for the price, and now this book will get to you.